Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what you got, man?
Choose the hard right over the easy wrong.
Okay, so we're not talking about steering.
Not talking about steering. We're talking about how many times when it comes to doing the right thing, that's not the shortcut.
No.
Right? And really when it comes down to like, how am I going to live my day? How am I going to function today? What am I going to allow to govern my direction? I want to do the right thing, right? I want to be a person of integrity. I want people to count on me. I want to do what I say I'm going to do.
Yeah.
Many times, something as simple as like holding up a deadline and delivering on time. That's the hard thing to do.
I can think of multiple times where I was here until past midnight.
Late hours.
Trying to get a deadline.
Why was that? It would have been easy to pick up a phone and say, isn't going to happen.
Sorry.
Yeah. I know I said I was going to show up, but I'm sorry. I'm not going to be there.
Yeah.
You've had people do it to you. Happens all the time in this industry. I mean, people hardly ever show up on time. Why are you bound to rules that nobody else is? It's easy to justify behavior that allows you to just get out of things, that you're not going to hold yourself to your word. You're picking the easy wrong, not the hard right.
Yeah.
So this is, again, nothing that I feel like is, some level of profound, doing the right thing's not the easy thing all of the time.
No.
But this is what we do. We remind each other of the values and virtues that we want to exhibit in this industry, hoping that if we all do it together, that we lift one another and encourage each other to be better.
Yeah.
And so this is us, encouraging you.
Yeah.
Be better. Go the extra mile. Do the thing that might be a little bit difficult, but it's the right thing to do. Go out of your way.
That's a good word, dude. I think so often, like I will try to take that easy way, because I'm tired. I'm sick of the job or whatever. But man, I know whenever I actually go that extra mile and I go the hard right, like I got something that I can hold my head up about, And so it's working with pride. It's taking pride in what you do.
I will say this, something that we've had a lot of conversations around with my son in football season. Why do you do what you do? You're kind of examining why should I show up? Why should I do the right thing?
Yeah.
Many times we look at the authority or the person that is requiring something of us and we go, that's not enough motivation for me to just want to go do it.
Yeah.
But there are other motivations, such as doing the right thing for you because you can hold your head up, but also doing the right thing because your teammates are going to see you do that right thing and it's going to matter to them.
Yeah.
So there are numerous reasons why you will be glad that you have done this through your career.
Yeah. Preach. All right, guys. There you have it. Go build something awesome.